Now we can study circles, area and perimeter of a circle. Here the perimeter of a circle is known as circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. So here this is the center. Then the distance from center to any point on this circle is known as radius. This we can represent it by r. Okay, the distance from here to here and this line is passing through the center. Okay, that is known as diameter. Diameter is from here to there and from here to here. That is the double of radius. The distance from one point of the circle through the center and that will touch the opposite or any point on this circle. Clear? So here there is a relation between diameter and radius. Here diameter d is equal to double of this radius 2 times r, or diameter, when we are dividing or finding the half of this diameter, we will get radius of this circle. Okay. Now we can study the circumference of a circle. That is, if it's a circle, the distance or the total length from here to here, that is O. Here we can write the center C, and from this O to O. Okay, that is the length of this surroundings of this circle. That is known as the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. The equation is 2 times pi nu. This pi we will study just now. Pi times r radius. That is 2 pi r, or this 2 times pi will be the radius, or pi into d, that is diameter. If diameter is given there, we can find the circumference, pi multiplied by d, or if the radius is the 2 times radius into pi. Clear? 2 pi r or pi d. Circumference is 2 pi r or pi d is the equation. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r or pi into d. Here, what is pi? Pi is a constant value. That is the ratio of circumference to diameter. Ratio of circumference to diameter, that is C by D, will be a constant. The value will be 3.14 or 22 on 7. Okay, 22 upon 7. This value will be constant for all circles. When you are dividing circumference by the diameter, okay, then we will get a constant value. Always we will get 3.14 or nearest to 3.14 and 22 on 7. Okay, then this is representing by pi. So the value of pi is equal to 3.14. That is, if the radius and diameter also circumference is given. Here we can find the ratio of circumference to diameter. That is circumference divided by diameter. We can find out that. How can we find? This is known as, this constant will be the pi. Okay. Then if the radius is 3.5 centimeter and diameter is 7, then what will be the circumference? We know that will be 2 pi r. That is 2 times 3.14 times 3.5 itself. Okay. If the radius is 3.5, diameter will be double of this radius, that is 2 times r. Clear? Then here 22 will be the circumference. Then now we can divide this circumference 22 by the diameter, that is 7. 22 divided by 7 is equal to 3.14. Okay. Then another example, if the radius is 7, then we know that the diameter will be double of this 7, that will be 14. Then circumference is 44 centimeter. Then 44 divided by 14, that will be nearest to 3.14. Okay. Then next question, 10.5. If the radius is 10.5, then diameter will be double of this 10.5. So that is equal to 21. Then the circumference will be 66. Okay. Then 66 divided by 21 is equal to 3.14. So from these examples, it's very clear the value is constant for all circles. That value, the constant value is representing by pi. Pi may be, in some cases we can use pi as 3.14 or 22 upon 7. 22 on 7. Clear? Then the area of a circle is equal to area. What is that? To make a garden inside a circle or to paving tile, we need to find the area of this space. This is the area of this circle. How can we find? Here also constant will be there. That is our pi. Okay. Pi times radius squared. That much square unit. Okay. That much square unit. So we can write pi r square. Okay. Pi r square. Radius square. Find the square of radius and multiply by pi. That much square unit. Okay. Now we can do some works related with the area and circumference of this circle. Some circles. Okay. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. First question is, radius of a circle is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius is given. What is the radius? Radius equal to 14 centimeter. Then the equation for finding the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Now radius is given. So circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r. Then in the question there is one clue. We have to take pi is equal to 22 upon 7 for each question. Okay. So here we have to apply the value of pi is equal to 22 on 7. Why? Because it is already mentioned in the question. So 2 multiplied by 22 on 7 times radius, that is equal to 14. Clear? Then 1 7 is equal to 7. 2 7s are 14. We can cut both 7 and 14 by 7 itself. So 22 times 4, that is 88. Centimeter is the unit. So that will be centimeter squared. Why? There is one clue. Here, radius. The answer is 88 centimeter squared. Then we can think about this centimeter squared. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter. Here 1 times centimeter, again 1 more centimeter is there. This 1 plus 1 will be centimeter squared. Clear? In case of length times breadth, we will get meter times meter or centimeter times centimeter or anyway. That is, the power will be m raised to 1 and m raised to 1 here. So, m raised to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is the answer. So, we will get m squared. Okay, that way we can write the unit as squared. Clear? Question number 2. B, that is equal to radius is given that 28 millimeter. The circumference of this circle will be 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 times pi. We have to use it as 22 on 7 because that is given in the question. Times 28 millimeter squared. Clear? Square millimeter. Then the 7 and 28. 4. Then 22 times 8. 22 times 8. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Then 22 times 8. 2 8s are 16. 1 will be there. Then 16, 7. So 176 squared will be the answer. 176 square millimeter is the answer. Here radius is equal to 21 centimeter. So the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 times 22 on 7 multiplied by 21. 7 and 21, 3. Then 22 times 6. 22 times 6 is equal to 132. So 132. Unit is in centimeter. So square centimeter is the answer. 132 square centimeter. Here we have to find the area. First question is radius is equal to 14 millimeter. Radius equal to 14 millimeter and we have to take pi as 22 on 7. The equation for finding the area of a circle is equal to pi r square unit. Okay. So, here pi 22 upon 7 multiplied by 14 squared. What is that? That will be, the unit is in millimeter, so that we can write square millimeter. Then 22 upon 7 times 14 times 14. Okay. So here we can cut, here also we can cut. 2 7s are 14. 1 7 is equal to 7. Both 14 and 7 we can cut by 7. Next 22 times 14 times 2, 28. Multiply these two. 22 times 28. 16, 1, then 16, 176, then 2 times 22, 44. Add this to 6, 11, then 616 millimeter square is the area of this circle. Here it's given that diameter is equal to 49 meter. So the area is equal to pi r square. So pi will be 22 upon 7. Okay, but here r. So we have to find the half of this 49 to get the radius. 49 by 2 is equal to 24.5 meter. So multiplied by 24.5 times 24.5 by 2 times Here r square. What is its meaning? R multiplied by r. Okay. Then we can cut 7 and 24.5 by 7. 3 7s are 21. Remaining 3 35. 5 will be there. Okay. So 22 times 3.5 times 24.5. So how can we do? Here we can multiply 24.5. Here we can add the decimal numbers, decimal digit after multiplication, after finding this product. Okay. First we can multiply the numbers without decimal. Then by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5, 20, then 2 will be there. Then 10, 10 plus 2, 12. By 3, 3 5s are 15, 1, then 12, 12 plus 1, 13, again 1, then 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 5, 7, we have to add it, 5 and 8. Then multiply by 22. Then 10, 1 will be there, 14 plus 1, 15, again 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, here 1, then 8 times 2, 16 plus 1, 17. The same answer will be here down also because we are multiplying by same number itself. 5, 1, 1, 7, 0, 5, 6, 8, 8, 1. So how many numbers are there? How many digits are there after each decimal point? Here 1 will be there. So 1. Here also 1 will be there. Total in the product there will be 2 digits after decimal point. So the answer is 1886.50. The unit is in meters, so we can write it as meter squared. For question number C, radius is given there. Radius is equal to 5 centimeter. The equation for finding the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So pi will be 22 on 7 multiplied by r squared, that is 5 squared. Then 22 by 7 multiplied by 25. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So 25 times 22 is equal to 550 on 7 centimeter square. We can stop it here or we can divide 550 by 7. So how many 7s are there in 55? 7 7s are 49. Okay, then subtraction 10. 1 times 7 will be there. Then 3 will be there. Here we can keep 0. Here 1 point. Then 4. 7 4s are 28. Then subtraction 2 will be there. In this 22 are there. 2 7s are 16. Okay. Then 4, 40. Then how many will be there? 5. 5 7s are 35. Then subtraction again 5 and so on. We can stop it here. That is 71.425 centimeter square or 550 on 7 centimeter square. Okay. So area is equal to pi r square, that much square unit. Then circumference is equal to 2 pi r or pi d, that much unit. Is it clear for you? I think now you got the idea to find the circumference and area of a circle. Thank you.